Sweet Pea? Huh? Huh? Oh, you can back it up too, huh? You can slam it into Mama's table. That's good. Hi, sweetheart. Want me to help you? Here, let's turn it just a little bit. There we go. Good job. Good job. Yay! Yay! Can you turn it? Want me to help you? Now. Oh, don't get the bugs on it. Come here. There we go. You're more interested in that bug. Yep, Mama sees it.